everyone, my name is ZeBirdBrain and today we're talking about sound. Did the following ever happen to you? You import your sound and then you go to do your lip sync and then the sound just explodes and then everything's too loud, you cry. And then using your logic, you try to find a solution to make the sound less loud. But you can't just lower your volume because if you lower the volume, then you don't hear your friends on Discord. So then you try to use logic and you look at your interface and you're like, how will I lower the sound? Well, I have to warn you, there is absolutely no logic in how to lower the sound in Harmony. Like, I will praise Harmony wherever I can, but I will also never fear of calling where its UI is a little dubious. So if you go in your timeline, you'll probably be here and going like, there's a percentage, I will lower it. And then you look at this being smaller and you're like, oh yes, this definitely worked. And then you open it again and not today! It's the same. So basically, yeah, this is a magnifying lens. So it just shows you like how big of a waveform you have, which, can be useful. But it's not what we need, and it doesn't lower the volume, and there is absolutely nowhere to lower the volume except this, but then you don't hear shit, so that also doesn't work. So how do you lower the volume in Harmony? I'm gonna show you. It's pretty easy, but someone had to tell you. And yes, someone had to tell me. So actually, let me tell you how to do it. So you go to your timeline, you double click on your sound, and then this is gonna open. And this is cool, like it's something that I use to like check my lip sync. And I already tried in the past to lower the volume there. It also didn't work, okay? So actually, here's how you do it. You click on your sound, this is really important. And then you go to the volume thing here and you lower it. And then when you close it, not today! What do you know? The sound is lower. And if I do it again, remember you have to click on this. If you don't and you just play with the sound, nothing's gonna happen. You click on this, then your sound is there, and then the volume is lower, so you can make it very high. You apply it, then you close it. Not today! And then your sound speaker explodes again. So yeah, now you have to go into the properties, click on the sound, and then play with the volume all you like. Not today! So yeah, there's no way in the timeline directly to lower the volume of your sound because this would be way too logical. I love Harmony, don't get me wrong. But sometimes I can't help but think, what the f? Yeah, now you know how to lower your sound in Harmony. Thank you, bye.